Assignment. Hi, it is assignment time. I'm going to give you a very easy assignment to write the code. Are you ready to do it? Okay, let's do it. Can you write a function to print age? And can you call the function to print your age first and to print your cousin's age next? How do we do it? First, let us write the function. So, we write def word and give the name of the function. Shall we give the name as printing underscore age? Okay. After that, put open bracket and close bracket and then put colon. Because we are going to get two different outputs, here one is your age and next your cousin's age, we should create a parameter which is an empty variable here. So, give the variable as age and we would write it inside the brackets of our function statement. Then, press enter and write the print statement to print the age. Next, we should give the values of age as arguments while calling the function to print it. Correct. Let us take your age to be 12 and your cousin's age to be 14. Now, shall we call the function and put values 12 and 14 as arguments? So, we would write printing underscore age, open bracket, close bracket, and 12 inside the brackets. Then, press enter, write printing underscore age, open bracket, close brackets again, and this time we would write 14 inside the brackets. Save the file and run the code. The output printed will be 12 and 14. So, try the assignment and submit your assignment very soon. Excited to see it. See you all in another interesting video. Bye-bye.